Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and also check out my other videos. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be making a special playlist for all my keto recipes. And I'm doing this because I want to make it a little bit easier for all my keto subscribers to find the keto recipes, because I do more than just keto on my channel. I like to just do my favorite stuff. And so today I'm going to do one of my favorite side dishes, which happens to be a keto friendly dish. And that's for a broccoli cauliflower like cheesy casserole thing. I don't really have a specific name for it, but we've got some broccoli, cauliflower, salt and garlic powder, mayonnaise, and cheese, and I'll leave the exact quantities down in the description box. So first we're going to start off with our broccoli and cauliflower, and we're going to mix it all together. I just had it separated for, aesthetics for the video, but you can chop these larger than I have them here, or even smaller, depending on your preference. Obviously, the smaller, the faster it's going to cook, all that jazz. And then we're going to add salt and garlic powder to our cheese. And I love this recipe so much because it's super easy. It comes together really fast. And then we're going to add our mayonnaise. And I wanted to let you guys know, as a little side note here, if you wanted to make this more of a main dish, you can add some kind of protein. Like I've got turkey pepperoni here, or if you wanted, you could do a ground beef, turkey, or chicken, and saute that on the side and then add it to the top before you put your cheese on. Or you could do a canned tuna or a canned chicken and obviously strain off the juice before adding it. But yeah, I'm just going to keep this one as a side dish today, so we're just going to add the cheese on top. And once we have got the cheese evenly dispersed across the top, we are going to add this to a 375-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on how soft you like your veggies. I like mine a little softer, so I go for the 35. And there we go, it's ready for the oven. And once it is done, it looks something like this. We've got our nice golden brown edges. I love those crispy little edges. But yeah, this stuff is so good. This is one of my favorite easy go-to side dishes, and it's just so hearty and warm and gooey and just so good. So if you guys end up making this, please let me know in the comments down below what you think, and also take pictures and tag me on Instagram. I love seeing your guys' photos of the food you make that come from my recipe videos. Alright guys, so that's the video. Stay tuned. There's going to be another one coming, kind of linked with this one, of keto stuffed mushrooms. That's my dinner tonight, and I just wanted to share with you guys both those recipes. So I'll have a link down below for that other video, but it'll come right after this one. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos, and follow me on Instagram. It's been a pleasure making this video for you.